Yo, what's up guys, my name is Cairo SA and I'm back again with another sample. So for this sample, I started with the piano, and instead of playing piano chords, I played a piano melody instead, and this is how it sounds like. I then followed that same piano with keys on top, and both of them sound like this now. And that is what we call and response in the sample game. So the first piano is doing the call and the second piano is doing the response. And let me show you the melodies. So for the first piano, this is the MIDI. It's actually two chords playing one after the other. And for the second melody, these are the notes that I'm playing. I then took the same piano and reversed it for this part, and this is how it sounds like. To create variation in the sample, I then also took these two parts, which is the first piano and the second piano I played. I added effects to them. The first effect I added was auto chroma, which is a granulizer plugin. I then added halftime as well as Valhalla vintage verb to add space to the piano sample. I also made the sound mono a little bit. I then panned it hard left by 50%. And this is how it sounds like now. I then added a one-shot texture sound from All You Need Sounds, AYN Sounds, and the name of the pack is Care Package Volume 4, and this is how it sounds like. I also added texture from Loner. Let me see the name of the pack. It's Loner's Sample Supply Final. That was the pack that this texture came from, and it sounds like this. I then also added a step sound from CSATV, and the name of the preset is Fresh Vibes, and this is how it sounds like. I also added a Vox from Cymatics, and I think it was from Vocal Essentials one shot, and the both of them, this is how it sounds like. And from there on, I added the same piano again here, but then I pitched it down by 1200 cents, and this is how it sounds like. Oh, and I forgot to tell you where the piano comes from. So the piano comes from Piano Tech, and the name of the preset is J Frenzel close mic. And for the effects, it was just auto chroma, as well as that halftime Valhalla vintage. And for the master effects, I added an SSL comp stereo, which is a compressor plugin from Waves, and it's just gluing the whole sample together so that the instruments sound as one instrument instead of sounding completely different. And with that said, this is the final sample and it sounds like this. And yeah, that's the final sample. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you again next week. Don't forget to go to the description of this video to check out my sample pack lunch and dinner. And yeah, thank you very much. See you again next week.